The iPhone SE 4 is set to be a breakthrough for both Apple and its users. This next-generation device has the potential to redefine the budget smartphone market while delivering impressive value. Here's why the iPhone SE 4 stands out as a win-win for both the company and its buyers. According to ET News reports, Apple is going to use iPhone 14 components like OLED display and battery, and some components of iPhone 16 like back design, 48-megapixel camera, and the latest flagship A18 Bionic chip. By reusing existing components, Apple not only cuts research and development costs, but also positions itself to offer the SE 4 at an attractive price point. While the price might see a slight increase from the current $429, it's expected to remain competitive with other budget-friendly smartphones in the $500 range. First, let's talk about the benefits for the company. Expanding market reach. The iPhone SE series has proven to be a success in attracting budget-conscious consumers and those who prefer a smaller form factor. By offering a more powerful and feature-rich SE 4, Apple can tap into a wider market segment, including those who might otherwise consider Android alternatives. With A18 chipset and Apple Intelligence, Apple is going to enjoy huge sales numbers. Strengthening brand loyalty. The SE series helps Apple maintain its brand loyalty by providing a more affordable entry point into the iOS ecosystem. This can encourage customers to stay within the Apple ecosystem for future upgrades. Driving innovation. Even as a budget-friendly device, Apple can showcase its technological advancements, such as the rumored 48-megapixel camera and OLED display. This can help maintain Apple's reputation as a leader in innovation. Now, let's focus on how the iPhone SE 4 benefits consumers. Affordable premium experience. The iPhone SE 4 offers a more cost-effective way to experience the premium features and performance of the iPhone lineup. This is especially appealing to those who want a powerful smartphone without the high price tag of the flagship models. iPhone SE 4 is rumored to get flagship-level upgrades from hardware to software. Significant hardware upgrades. The rumored upgrades, such as the improved 48-megapixel camera, larger 6.1-inch OLED display, faster A18 processor, bigger 3279 mAh battery, and in-house 5G modem chipset make the SE 4 a compelling option for those seeking a feature-rich smartphone at a more affordable $500 price point. Long-term support. Apple's commitment to software updates ensures that the SE 4 will receive timely security patches and new features for several years, making it a future-proof investment. While the final success of the iPhone SE 4 will depend on factors like pricing and specific features, the potential benefits for both Apple and buyers are significant. It has the potential to be a popular choice for those seeking a balance between affordability and performance. But after many years, the iPhone SE 4 is going to be a win-win device for both the company and consumers. Tipsters have claimed the iPhone SE 4 will launch in March 2025, almost exactly 3 years after the last version arrived. The iPhone SE line is long overdue an upgrade. What are your thoughts about the upcoming iPhone SE 4? Are you excited about the launch? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for early tech updates. You can also join our Telegram channel for exclusive leaks. The link is available in the description. With that being said, I will see you guys in the next video.